Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com, and in this video, answering a YouTube question, individual said that he's been getting harassing phone calls from a debt collector. He actually lives in South Africa, lost his job, must be getting something that's going on here. Uh, but if you're asking about something going on there, I don't really have an answer to that. But I think that this answer, if it applies to you, it probably applies to many other people. It says that, so the question was that been getting collection agencies threatening take legal action against me. It's been 3 months since that phone call, but they call me once a month following up on the payment. Is this a scare tactic? Yes, it's a scare tactic, but let me tell you something that they just broke the law. According to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, they cannot, and this is, I'll tell you it is Section 807, 15 USC 1692E, Section 807, false or misleading representations with an S. The threat to take any action that cannot legally be taken. That's number one. But also, or that is not intended to be taken. Because they said that 3 months ago, if you had proof of that conversation that they had 3 months ago, or for anyone, including yourself, if you take a recording, notify them that you are recording it, or you can ask them for the recordings, and then you would be able to sue them because they did not take legal action. They cannot threaten, this is any debt collector. No debt collector can threaten legal action if they do not take legal action. That is in the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, 15 USC 1692E 807, false or misleading representation. So we all know that you uh, get this all the time from debt collectors that they're going to take legal action. Well, it is a thin line, but at some point, if they never take legal action, the law is kind of vague on what that time frame would be. But I would say that if they threatened to take legal action 3 months ago and then they didn't take legal action, and it's been 3 months since, that you would have the ability to contact them in writing, certified, and you can say that they're in violation of 15 USC 1692E 807, Section 807, false or misleading representation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, in that you want them as a remedy to cease all collection activities regarding the debt that they're trying to contact you about. That would be the route that I would take. Now, there's a whole bunch of other things that they cannot do also, but I'm going to leave it at that right here because that was the question for this individual here on YouTube. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your reports, and watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow our process, we invite you to become a customer. If you need your reports and scores, please go to the website your3scores.com. If you need the debt validation letter, cease and desist collection activities letter, or the statute of limitations on collecting debt letter, those links to all of those, including our services, is below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.